Can Hisense TV screen mirror? Yes. Hisense Smart TVs support screen mirroring, allowing users to cast or mirror their smartphone, tablet, or laptop display to the TV wirelessly. However, the method varies depending on the TV's operating system and the device being used for mirroring. Most Hisense Android TV, Google TV, Fire TV, and VIDA OS models come with built-in screen mirroring features like Chromecast, Miracast, Apple AirPlay, and Anyview Cast. 1. Screen mirroring methods on Hisense TV. Different Hisense TV models support various screen mirroring technologies. Chromecast, Android TV, and Google TV models. Built-in Chromecast allows users to mirror content from Android devices, Windows PCs, and Google Chrome browsers. Miracast. Most Hisense TVs with Android TV and VDA OS. Wireless screen mirroring works with Android and Windows devices. AirPlay. Roku TV, Google TV, and select VIDA models. Apple iPhone, iPad, and Mac users can mirror screens using AirPlay 2. Anyview Cast. VIDA OS TVs. Hisense's proprietary screen mirroring feature for Android and Windows devices. 2. How to screen mirror on Hisense TV. For Android and Google TV using Chromecast. Ensure your TV and phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open an app like YouTube or Netflix on your Android phone. Tap the cast icon, Chromecast symbol, and select your Hisense TV. To mirror the entire phone screen, open Google Home app, then your TV, then Cast My Screen. For VIDA OS, using Anyview Cast. Open Anyview Cast from the TV's apps menu. On your Android phone, go to Settings, then Connected Devices, then Cast. Select your Hisense TV and start mirroring. For Windows PC, using Miracast. On the TV, enable screen mirroring, Anyview Cast, or wireless display depending on the model. On your PC, press Windows plus K, select your Hisense TV, and start projecting. For Apple devices, using AirPlay. Make sure AirPlay is enabled on your Hisense Roku, VDA, or Google TV by going to Settings, then Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, then turn on AirPlay. On your iPhone or Mac, open Control Center, then Screen Mirroring, then select your Hisense TV. 3. Troubleshooting. Screen mirroring issues. If screen mirroring is not working, try the following fixes. Ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Restart your TV and phone. Check if screen mirroring is enabled in the TV settings. Update your TV's firmware via Settings, then System, then Software Update. Use an HDMI cable with an adapter if wireless mirroring fails. Most Hisense Smart TVs support screen mirroring via Chromecast, Miracast, AirPlay, or Anyview Cast, depending on the model. By following the correct steps, users can easily mirror their smartphone, tablet, or PC to enjoy a wireless big screen experience.